I'm Seth here at USL, and I'll go through the installation for the Show Manager software for operating our CMS-2200. The Show Manager software works on Windows, Linux, or Mac through the Adobe Air platform. To see qualified devices, please visit our website for more product information. The first step to installing the Show Manager software is to make sure you have Adobe Air on your computer. I am using a Windows 7 computer. So the available downloader for me was acquired from Adobe's website, which is getadobe.com/air. Through their website, you'll be able to acquire the proper version of the Adobe Air platform for your operating system. I have that on my desktop. I've already installed it. So the next step is to get the actual Show Manager software from our CMS. The Show Manager software is available for download from the CMS itself through the CGI interface. To get to the CGI interface, type in your web browser http:// the IP address of the projector that the CMS is installed in, :43758 for the port, /CGI-bin/pycgi.py. This will take us to the USL CMS CGI interface, and under Actions there are varying different functionalities for use in setting up and downloading software or other import, export, and backup functions for the CMS. Right now we want to download the software update. I select download to have it sent to my computer rather than a USB drive that would be connected to the CMS, and I'm on a Windows machine, so I select the second option for the Adobe Air package as opposed to the Android APK. Pressing send command, the CMS will serve the proper version of Show Manager to match its firmware to my computer. My computer has now saved the file through this web browser, and I go to wherever it downloaded and open it to have it install. The Air installer will then go through the process. Select all the options you want. Here I want a desktop shortcut, and allow it to install on your computer. The Show Manager software is now installed, and once it loads for the first time, it notifies me that there are no media servers available. At this point, I will go in and specify the IP address through Discovery. There's an overview on Discovery screen available. You can switch between them by pressing these buttons at the bottom of the screen. The server that I've installed is in a projector at 192.168.7.79. If I had more than one server installed, I could specify a larger range and discover them all at once. I press start, it goes through the IP addresses in the range I've specified, and finds the CMSs that are currently online. I then press add selected, and those CMSs are populated to the overview screen. I specified Theater 3 already in the name of that CMS, and it comes up with that information when it finds the server online. I now have the software up and running. I have specified where my server is located on my network, and I can either double click or select it and press the login button to bring up the login interface. Use the credentials provided by USL to log in, and the SMS software is now connected to the CMS-2200 server.